Charlie, there's a lot of things I can tell you about Ghana. For one, there's definitely a rhythm to the life here. What we are is a many million pulses that reverberate in one nation's immense, awesome heartbeat. We thrive in trying circumstances. Rest is elusive. Sunrise is nothing but a heated call, and sunset means only a change in the rhythm of my restless feet. Every day my brothers and sisters go about. We move. We must. We make ends meet. Traffic weaves braids of ribbons of light, and even when the cars stop, people don't. They get to work. You find the young and old hawking goods and services. They can only rest when the lights flash green. We in Ghana, we paint pictures with our gestures, and laughter is the first melody in every song. We struggle. We fight for and we hope for the children. Like it or not, they are the future. Sometimes we get it wrong, and sometimes who doesn't? Ghanaians are just about some of the friendliest people on the planet, and peaceful. When all is said and done, you find me asking for one thing, one more day, and for every brother, the strength to play his part.